This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Maria Bogue. Eagle Harbor, if you are looking for a low-maintenance lifestyle, this is a must-see. Great townhouse in great condition with primary suites on the first and second levels. The first level features a great room that is open to the kitchen with stainless steel appliances and a breakfast bar. The open and airy loft is located on the second level as well as the second primary suite and walk-in closet. Parking is right outside of the unit, and newer vinyl fencing for the outside patio. Convenient to state-of-the-art medical facilities, military bases, major interstates, shopping, and entertainment. Amenities include pool and clubhouse. For more information, review the details below or contact Maria Bogue at 757-409-4011.